I made about 400% of this account last month. I I funded about 50 USD was deposited in this account. Like you can see the deposit and the profit was became about two over 200 USD in profit, right? So which is over 400% of this account was made last month. So making the total balance to be as at to making the total balance to be about 257, 257, right? So this is what it is. This is the trading history, right? So you can see the fund, the first funds, right? When the deposit was made, you can see the 50 USD, right? And you can see the outcome of the account, right? The winners came, I took them. The losers came, I also took them, right? Winning trades and losing trades comes in an undisclosed order. So as a forex trader, once you've learned how to trade, it doesn't mean that you will always be swimming in profit. All the trades you take throughout your trading career will be in profit. No, that is not what it means. Right, so I had made this recording just to actually show newbie traders or a new trading and forex trading enthusiast that wants to come into forex trading what consistently profitable trading actually means and what it means by risk taking in forex trading, because usually most we usually say or hear that okay, in forex it's about taking risk, forex is about taking risk. And most people feel that risk taking is about probably funding their money and risking it into the market and losing everything in one trade. No, that is not what trading means in forex risking. That is not what risking means in forex trading. Right? Trading isn't betting. It's not like you're funding 50 USD and you take one trade and you blow it up on that trade. If you're actually doing that, probably you may be a gambler, right? But however, there are two approaches to trading. There is a conservative approach to trading and there's an aggressive approach to trading. Right. So an aggressive approach to trading is probably you want to use that 50 USD and you want to either hit it big or you blow the account. You're actually making the money multiple. You want to actually take a trade and you win the trade and actually make huge amount. You turn that particular amount, probably 50 USD, into probably 1,000 something USD, or you're actually blowing up. You're actually losing everything in the account just on one trade. That is an aggressive approach of trading, right? But however, a conservative approach of trading per se is actually taking calculated risk. When you're trading, taking calculated risks, you know that okay, like you can see the risk on this account as I'm trading it, I'm taking reasonable risks so far. I'm actually not over risking the account. I am actually consistent on my lot size. I'm actually consistent on my lot size, right? So probably I might just be risking about between 3 to 5% of this account per trade, right? So um, you can actually see what it is, right? So, and of course, why the losers came, the winners also outnumbers the losers, also outnumbered the losers, right? So why the losers came, the winners, and made more wins than the losers, right? So trading, for me, trading is about the long run. I do not judge trading outcome by today's trading result. No. So before, if I am to be an investor and I want to invest in a trader, probably I want to make a trader my strategy manager, probably copying that trader's trade or investing on such trader to trade for me. What I want to see, I want to see the trader's trading history, right? I want to see what that trader have done for 2 weeks. I'm not judging just by today's result, right? I want to see a 2 weeks trading result, a 2 weeks trading history. I want to see a 1 month trading history. I want to see a 6 weeks trading history, right, of that trader. I want to see a 2 months trading history of that trader. I want to see a 3 months trading history of that trader. Right? So because that actually tells a lot about the trader in question. You want to see what the trader's trading history will tell you about his psychology, right? How he actually approaches the market. right? It will also tell you about his risk management appetite, right? So you would know, okay, if I am actually investing on this trader's trading technique, am I going to blow my account on one particular trade, right? Am I going to blow my account on one particular trade, or he is consistently profitable, which means that he is actually following the right risk procedure and is also winning most of his trade. So you have an idea on what the long run will be, right? Okay, in the long run, it means that even if the losers come, because that is inevitable in forex trading, the wins he takes will override any of the losses, and eventually we are going to make profit in the long run, right? In the long run, that's what you'll be looking at. It's not about today, because the point, the truth is, no trader knows for sure, for guarantee, the direction that the market will go. No trader knows that the direction will, for guarantee, 100 over 100, the market must go this direction. No. Even if you have learned how to trade, what you've learned how to do is how to speculate the direction of the market, how to predict market direction, right? But in the act of prediction isn't 100%, right? So we're all just following educated guesses, right? That is why you're always advised to use stop loss, right? So if in case your speculation doesn't go in your favor today, you know that you have a stop loss buffering your losses, so you're not going to lose an unbearable amount, right? Because no trader for sure knows the direction that the market will go. All we are actually following, we are following educated guesses, or everyone, even Warren Buffett and the likes of them, the big traders, everyone, what we're actually doing, we're following educated guesses. So even if you lose a trade, right, it doesn't mean that you don't know how to trade. If you lose a trade, most people feel the fact that you've learned how to trade, it means that you win all your trade, you win every trade. No, that is not what it means, right? Learning how to trade just means that you've gotten a skill set that have made you know how to apply risk management, that have made you how to predict market direction, right, consistently, right? And you that have actually trained you on how to apply trading psychology, build a good trading psychology, right? That trading psychology aspect, when we are talking about trading psychology, it sounds like a motivational speech, because a lot of people do not like being told what to do. So trading psychology, it's one of the biggest part of forex trading that might either keep you stagnated or will move you on, right, in your career, right? So if you do not have good trading psychology, you may find yourself being stuck. Why? Because you may never allow winners run. You will never allow your winning trades run, and you will never you would overhold your losses, right? So you won't even allow your trades move accordingly. You over tighten your stop loss and all of those things. If you've learned how to trade, you know what I mean, right? So this is just this. I'm making this trading recording just to show newbie traders or trading enthusiasts, those that wish in coming into forex trading. I just want to show you what it means by taking risk, what risk means in trading, right? I actually thought about doing this after I made um, on my synthetic indices trading. On synthetic indices trading, I guess I made some video I posted on my YouTube few months ago. How to turn what is it called? How to turn 40 years into 700 years within a month, right? So I actually funded 40 years in that month, and I was able to turn the 40 years into 720 USD in 1 month, right? By taking the right risk and also accepting, celebrating the wins. Right. So after that, I just thought to myself, okay, why not also make a video on trading currencies, right? Trading currencies, so newbies too can also know that, okay, it's also possible that you can start up with 40 years, you can start up with 50 years. You don't need to rob the bank for you to fund your trading account. The most important thing is the skill set, right? So you can grow from whatever initial capital you have, right? So I thought of it, okay, and I funded this 50 USD accordingly. And I funded this 50 USD accordingly and taking it up from there, right? So you can see that in the month of July, before the end of July, I've been able to make over 400% of the account trading, just trading, right? Consistently profitable trading, taking the wins, taking the losses accordingly. Right. So I actually make this just to motivate somebody out there. I know that somebody might need this, right, to actually get back to your feet in trading and look at the market from the light, right, that you can actually make it in this industry. Trading is not a get rich quick scheme. You can actually start from what you have and grow from there. Have a wonderful day.